Yes. Okay, here. Today's Thursday. The news today was only 2:30 news by 8:30. So no, 2:30. So yeah, there wasn't really much news. We see that we just a little bit up and go lower. And she had even more buys. So let's look where we are looking for. We have 7 minutes to look at it. So yesterday, so we engineered even more buy side, and then went lower in the overnight session again, taking the sell side that I was looking for on FOMC to maybe manipulate in, but we didn't do that. We did it now. Yeah, for me it didn't really need to do it right now, but it happened, so that's good. So let's quickly look. See, we went lower overnight, taking down the sell side, and went to the daily order block, or daily order block. And right now we are slowly going, slowly going up. I'm inside of a 1 hour inversion right now, and let's quickly look at it. Yes. So yes, didn't took the sell side. We engineered the most perfect lows again. We ejected from the 1 hour busy, and also here we have a new day opening gap that's still open. Also, we did take this buy side, but I'm still bullish. My bias is still bullish, so we look for high prices. Dixie, we are going pretty fast. I see, as you see. What are we looking for? We have a old new week opening gap that's still open right here. That new needs delivery. Like a whole void right there. So this is my expectations to maybe drop into there. That will help, of course, for futures to go up. To go up. So that's good. So what's my plan? So how am I gonna, since open is there in 5 minutes, what's my plan? So my plan is, okay, we have a 1 hour busy right here, and we now inside of a 1 hour inversion, as you see. So preferably, I want to see this as a breakaway gap. I don't really want to see this trade into. Could it do it? Yes, but I need also not to spend a lot of time in there. Otherwise, I think that makes probability a bit worse. So we had a little accumulation right here. So eventually we went up. We did engineer even equal lows right there. So it could be wrong on the bias, and then it's gonna go here. But I'm bullish. So we accumulated right here. We stopped and then went higher. This is 5 minutes. And as you see, this is the first gap after the accumulation. After it stalled. You want to see this as breakaway gap. It did. A good portion open. Went higher. No pre-session came and a little retracement. And right now, I think that 930 shouldn't really go much lower. And I just want to see this like a breakaway gap, I would say. And again, I allow it to trade lower and take in the sell side because there are stops right here. But for me, it doesn't need to be happening. So for me, this could be just a breakaway. I just want to see us open and manipulate. Maybe have some sort of sell side here taken or some sort of SMT. And then I want to see, then I want to enter targeting this highs and eventually also this new day opening gap of this week. And maybe if we very strong, then we could say daily CB. What I do want to mention is we had a lot of movement overnight and in London as well. So yeah, we could just go inside of consolidation and wait a bit longer. So those are yeah, so that's how I look at the market. Just now wait for open. RTA is going to be around, let's see, for about 100 handles, maybe even a little bit more. 11. Right here, yeah, 120. So RTA is high. We're gonna open lower. But I'm bullish, so I expect like a gap close for 50%. I'm gonna mark that. So now it's just waiting. Let's log in as well. I have now 2 accounts. So you see, I have two accounts. I have a 300k account and a 50k account. And the 50k account, I have not a lot of days left. I have 8 days left, so the 90 December. But there was like a crazy discount, so I thought let's buy also the 300k account. We have 7.5k threshold, so that's good. And I kind of just want to pass some accounts. And I was just like yesterday, should I just gamble it? Should I just go all in on one trade and just pass some accounts? Or should I just do it consistently? And this, I don't really know. I try to like what are the benefits, what are the not the benefits. I was like a bit like, what should I do? And I think that I'm gonna full port the 300k account. December, I backtested December also a little bit for 2 years, and I both see that the markets are not. It is not great on December. I see already said that as well. So normal to pass this account normally, normal. So straight. I think it's a bit difficult. We need to make 20k. So yeah, I think it's a bit difficult. That's the reason why I want to full port and just take the year off, the rest of the year off, and then just say, okay, that will be it. Let's see, we're gonna open up. My plan is just sell side and then go higher towards the buy side. Just gonna take this. ES is gonna go not take this loose probably, so this is probably also an SMT. This SMT. I see this as a fake move. And I said it could go towards the London, a minor like London. If you really want to go to London, this is London. I already said that we could go there, but for me, it doesn't need to. But it seems like we are. Of course, we have a consolidation right here. Consolidation going higher. Then this is the stage. If we go below that, where now we are inside of the stage, then we could say we're gonna go lower. I'm kind of thinking right now. I'm kind of thinking that we're gonna go lower, but I can't really say towards this sell side for the market maker sell to be completed. Because we know in this accumulation right here, and we just now we can even go above it. But yes, and YM both are going and having this buy side, so I can't go short. I need to wait. I need to have patience and really wait right now. That's what I should do right now. And if we go above this high, maybe we could do something. But for now, I just need to wait because it's in a consolidation right here. Simply this. Just because I believe that we are in a market maker buy on. I just want to close. I prefer to close also in a proportion with on the 1 hour. At 10. I think at 10 or something we're gonna make some sort of move. Of course, ES have that buy side. Take a loan once more. Like ES is going to be the first one taking a buy, but I expect higher also on ES, even higher than just that buy side. Let's see, like, go above it. How can I enter this market? Could I enter right here? This is, if it's gonna go above this gap, that's probably an entry. Yes, I know that ES then has already taken down the buy side. But we need to go above it because right now we are in a market maker buy. That's what I think. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I think we are in a market maker buy. And it goes above this, then I'm pretty confident in it. But it could just be chasing, and we need to be a little bit later. Near the opening gap, it's probably, how much do I need to risk if this is gonna happen? 11. Now we can do 11. 7. 8. But yeah, for now, I kind of expect this low here, this accumulating right here, and it's, you see this, you see the consolidation right here, accumulating, and now, yeah, went below it, and now, you see that we are kind of like spending time right now in the lower portion, not even the upper portion. Still think ES is not going to take down this low. ES could take down this low, it could be something, but I don't think ES is going to be that fast. I think it's going to fall. That's unfortunate. So I didn't really want to do that. I'm not gonna enter this. I'm not gonna do anything. I think it's gonna go pretty fast. Maybe it's gonna catch up and go and take down this lows. I'm not sure. I don't know yet. We just need to have patience right now. You see that Dixie is, since open is a, that's gone this side based on the same as open. On the full port, could have gone short. Yes, but I just want to take a trade that I would take on my other as well. Just so it's not completely gamble right now. We have also had a little retracement. Dixie still the same, not doing a lot. Completed the market maker buy, and now I want to see it sell towards London. Now I want to see it do the same thing to the upside. Midnight. Here went below midnight as well. if ES is gonna go below this 1 hour, then we're probably gonna do a sweep, some sort of sell side right there. The new hour, so I think this hour is gonna be balanced towards here. But it's just, are we gonna go above it? And I would maybe still consider some sort of trade higher, because I'm still bullish, but I don't really like the fact how we did this, and then we need kind of like a crazy day. We did take the lows right here on regular trading hours. Like regular trading hours, I don't find it weird to go towards that buy side. Yeah, I would take this trade. I would take this trade. It's my idea to go long. We eventually went low. Regular trading hours good. Electronic hours, I have my suspicions, but we closed inside of it with yes. Yeah, I would buy it. Okay, we in. So I'm in on every account. So this is the full port that you see right now. It's the account that I just bought. But the 400k account, we needed 20k. Oh, I haven't got, I'm not in it. Micro. So we need this number, needs to be 20k. And you like this close. There's one trade, it's like a huge manipulation lower. We have ancient bias that, and my bias is still bullish, although I don't really like the fact that what we did there. How can I do a stop on trade of it? I didn't even know that. Oh yeah. So when ES take this buy side, right? Then we see Dixie go, yeah, Dixie goes low as well. This is perfect. I haven't make a screenshot yet. Take the calculator. See ball 11. Oh, my math ain't good. I forgot everything in class. Like how do I wait? I should have paid more attention. Wait. So you have this consolidation right here. That's now overrun as well. So I'm pretty confident in it for it to go higher towards this CB. Yes, gonna take the buy side first. YM. All-time highs at YM. Dixie, we want to see lower, so it's perfect. The trade for now is perfect. Look at the regular trading hours we swept those lows right here. There's equal lows. We did it already on the electronic trading hours, but on regular trading hours we didn't, and then we just did that. Right there. Look at all the stops are on this high. Of course, you have the whole RTH still open right here. 20 times 6. I think, if my calculations are right, I need 166 handles and 66 handles and 3 ticks. Two partials up there. Take few off here. I take 2 off here. Like it's crazy. Like I'm going crazy right now. 3 screens, took a partial, boom, well break even. So now we took 3k. We looked in 3k. There's not a lot, but we are still in with 4. Let's take another 2 off. because ES took that buy set, and now the rest I'm just gonna let it go. I'm not gonna do it in one trade then. The first percentage of the AM, I like that. Our stop is below the first busy right now on this wick, I think. It's looking good. Probably gonna take one off at this highs, and then one we're gonna let win for the newly opening gap. We wanna see this as an inversion gap. If that happens, we can throw our stop up again, because then we went above this accumulation right here. And then we can probably put our stop a little bit here, below on this high. We could still go up, but to hunt for a stop here at 10:30 is very, very normal. Not confident in the trade. Not sitting with like a lot of confidence in the trade anymore, but we made profit, so there's nothing to worry worry about. We're out there. The only thing we're in is on the other account. We've made 8.5k and we need 12k more. Yeah, so this after the fact that we took the profit right here. Afterwards we went lower and higher, lower, higher. Then just started right now. We have buy side here. Of course, we have that equal lows there. But I think I'm pretty much done. I think he is, of course, gonna go for that new day opening gap, maybe even higher than you could say, somewhere like there. But I would say that I would say higher, but I don't expect much more from today. This equal highs or something, but I'm not willing to take any trades right here. So it's probably done for the day. Monday or tomorrow PM, I will be back, or late AM, don't know, close, we see. And after that is Monday before NFP, so that's not good. You know, it's not the highest probability day, I think. So I think I'm gonna maybe resume and pass this account, 300k account normal, and then I buy another account on for the NFP Friday, and maybe I'm gonna do some sort of gamble right there just to pass a 100 account, and then I of course gonna wait for the new year to trade on it, and then we still have the other 50k account and the top step account. We still have those. But yeah, that will be it for today. I'm done. We have buy side, sell side. We have moved a lot today, like a lot. Like we opened here lower, higher, lower, and I expect higher, I would say, but yeah, we engineered even more sell side there. But yeah, it's done for the day. I'll be there tomorrow, and then yeah, that will be it.